A mole is a unit of measure used in chemistry to express amounts of a chemical substance. This number is equal to the number of atoms in exactly 12 grams of carbon-12, which is also 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power.
6.02 times 10 to the 23rd is Avogadro's number. Avogadro was an Italian physics professor, proposed that equal volumes of different gases at the same temperature contain equal numbers of molecules.
1 mole is equal to the formula mass of a substance in grams. The mass of a single atom on an element is numerically equal to the mass of 1 mole of those atoms.
Moles are used in chemistry because they are a more convenient standard unit than measuring in mass and volume. Hi, I'm Tricia Spiritu, and this is Who Wants to Be a Molionaire? Today our contestant will be Anthony DiClementi. He's a chemist from Mole University. Hi, Anthony.
Hello, Trish.
Welcome to the show. This is how the show works.
You will be asked a question and given 4 choices, A, B, C, or D. One of these will be the correct answer, and you will get more and more money for each question you get correct. There will be 2 saves that Anthony has. One will be elimination, where 2 options are taken off the board to narrow it down. The other save is internet help, which allows you to look up the answer on your mobile device. The goal is to make it to the $1 million question so you can become a molionaire.
This first question is worth $1,000. Avogadro's number, called a mole, is what number? Is it A, 6.01 times 10 to the 23rd, B, 7.02 times 10 to the 23rd, C, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, or D, 6.02 times 10 to the 24th?
I'm going to go with C, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd.
You are correct. This next question is worth $10,000. A mole is equal to 12 grams of what element? A, hydrogen, B, carbon, C, oxygen, or D, nitrogen?
Can I use one of the saves to take off 2 of the answers?
Yeah, sure. So we are going to eliminate A, hydrogen, and C, oxygen. So your choices left are B, carbon, or D, nitrogen.
I'm going to go with B, carbon.
That's correct. This next question is worth $25,000. 1 mole of a substance is numerically equal to which of the following? A, formula mass, B, number of protons, C, atomic number, or D, 6.02?
I believe it was A, formula mass.
That's correct. This question is worth $50,000. How many moles of hydrogen are in 1 mole of water? A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, or D, 0?
B, 2.
That's right. This next question is worth $75,000. How many moles of water are in 1 liter? A, 50.5, B, 55, C, 50.55, or D, 55.5?
D, 55.5.
That's right. Read this next question. We're going to a commercial break, brought to you by Justin Mulberlake.
I'm bringing moles back. Them other numbers don't know how to act. I think you're special with the conversion facts. So turn around and I'll pick up the slack. Take me to the bridge. Avogadro's constant defines a mole as a unit of measurement. I'll let it hit me if I use volume. It's just that the mole is a more convenient way. Take him to the course. Come here, mole, go ahead and measure it. Right, MOL, go ahead and measure it. What's your number? Go ahead and measure it. 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Let me see what I'm working with. Go, Matt, and measurement. Look at that molar mass measurement. Go ahead and measure it.
We're back with Anthony DiClementi on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, and we're on the $100,000 question. Okay, Anthony, to get from moles to milligrams, what step do you have to do? A. Convert moles to grams. B. Convert moles to liters. C. Convert moles to particles. Or D. None of the above.
I believe the answer is A.
That's correct. Okay, the $250,000 question is how many moles are in 20 grams of water? A. 1 mole. B. 2 moles. C. 1.11 moles. Or D. 1.22 moles.
Can I use the other save for using the internet?
Yes, you have 30 seconds.
I'm gonna go with C.
That's right. The next question is worth $500,000. How many significant figures are in a mole? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. Or D. All of them are significant.
C. 3.
That's correct. The next question is worth $750,000. Moles are in 8.39 times 10 to the 21st atoms of gold. Is it A. 1 mole, B. 2 moles, C. 3 moles, or D. 0.0139 moles?
D.
That's right. Now we're going to a commercial break, and when we come back, Anthony will be competing for $1 million.
Do you have a problem with moles in your yard? Are they eating up your pool liner and screwing up your grass? You need Mobi-Gone, a spray that instantly, with 2 spritz, gets rid of moles instantly. Just spray and they disappear. Call this number for more information.
Mobi-Gone might cause rash behavior and moles and kill your grass in your lawn. Don't use it if you recently fertilized your lawn.
Get yours today for only $6.02.
We're back with Anthony DiClementi on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Now it's time for the $1 million question. $1 million question is, what element has a molar mass of 238.03? Is it A, plutonium, B, californium, C, uranium, or D, cerium?
I'm going to go with C, uranium.
Anthony, that's correct. Congratulations, you have just won